planchada tacos. Look at these tacos right here, guys. Really, really easy to make. I guarantee you, once you start making these tacos, you won't be making them any other way when you use hamburger. On this video, we're gonna be making tacos. I'm gonna show you how I make them right here. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna roast some peppers. We're gonna put them directly on the coals so we can make some nice chunky salsa. MOLCAJETE salsa. Look at that. We're gonna put some tomatoes in there too. And we're gonna throw in there 3 tomatillos. I know most people will argue that you don't mix tomates and tomatillos or tomatoes and tomatillos, but guess what? We wanna mix them up. And we're gonna do the same thing with an onion. I tell you what, if you never eat salsa made like this, a nice chunky salsa made in MOLCAJETE, but being on the coals like this, it just gives it a really, really nice smoky flavor. And we got our MOLCAJETE. Look at this. Like I told you before, they're not burned. Look at this. Just because it looks like this, it doesn't mean it's burned. Now, while this is cooking, we're gonna cook some onions right here, right up on top of the grill. I don't like the first layer of the onion. I always get rid of it. We're gonna put some oil here, and then we'll throw these onions in there. And I guarantee you those tomatillos are done too. Oh, look at these tomatillos. They look really, really good. And those are done too. Let's get this here. A little bit of salt. What we're going to do with that, we're going to put it right here on this. We're going to put some of this cilantro. And look at this MOLCAJETE salsa. This is really, really good, guys. Like I say, you should try this. And all this, we're going to put it on this bowl right here. Look at that. Nice. All right, we want to put this to the side. This is done, and we're going to start making our planchaditas. We got some onions, we got some tortillas, and we got 2 pounds of ground beef or hamburger, however you want to call it. Now, this is a special ingredient that I like to use. I always use this right here. This right here from Cosmos. This is honey. This is really, really good, guys, especially for cheeseburgers and stuff like that. If you're making cheeseburgers, this is perfect for that. It just gives it a really, really nice flavor to the ground beef. Paprika. And this is just to give it a color. That's all. And then I like to mix it up all together. And look at that. This thing is ready. We're just gonna use, oh my God, it smells so good. Perfect. I'm gonna change these gloves. What's this? Let's put a little more of oil. We'll take one of this, put it in the middle. Put it in the middle like this. And then we got the plancha. We're gonna make more than just 2. And this is just because I know it's gonna be really, really good. Now for this, I took the time and made some cheese. This is mozzarella and some cheddar cheese together. This is perfect for this. It should turn out really, really good. As I always say, be generous with the cheese, don't be scared. Guys, you have no idea what we're creating here. This is really, really good. My mama used to make this at home. Man, I used to love these tacos. Planchadita tacos. Man, it used to be that perfect dish in my home when I was a kid. Guys, look at this beauty, guys. Oh my goodness. This is like really, really perfect. Talking about flavor, this is all flavor. Look at this. Really, really nice tacos. To this, we're gonna add our salsa that we made. Look at that, that's perfect. Put some of these onions. If you want to, you can add a couple pieces of tomatoes. And look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful taco. Planchadita tacos. All it's got is hamburger or ground beef, however you want to call it. Cheese, a lot of cheese, onions, tomatoes, and that really, really nice molcajete salsa that we made is really, really good. Look at this. Let's try it. I gotta try it. Perfect. This right here, it gives a really, really good flavor. This is perfect, guys. This is perfect. You guys should really, really try these ones. They're easy to make and it's full of flavor. Look at those onions. Look at those onions and the cheese and everything. Oh my God. Well, people, thank you so much for being here with me today, but this is all I got for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.